Pull up. Stop. Stop. Yo. Somebody tell that old man in Uganda, say this is a regional bad man in a real life. You know, 1 million guns, but I'm scared of a man who have just a microphone. Fire burn! In the audience tonight, I recognize a long time Bridget from Kamocha. Big up yourself, President. You don't know. Represent the ghetto on every platform. You see me? That's it. This one for you, Rasta. You remember the days in Chipomia? You remember the days of Orlando Mini Hall? You are the it's one for you. United forces of change, all of us must come together as one. United forces of change, all of us must come together as one. Now, wonder. Our people come night and day. They wonder why they continue to live this way. I know that things can change someday. If you really want to listen. Uganda land of abundance, Ugandans living in efficiency. The leaders want like presidents, so we must abandon the silly tendency. Uganda rich, Ugandans poor, because the leaders drunk on power. They run nation like family affair. Citizens suffer, but they don't care. Put it! All right. Give me the next tune. I want to send this tune to DJ Blondie. Respect DJ Blondie. Are you ready? Abana, Non-stop, because we're about to run out of time. Give me non-stop music right now. Are you ready now? We are just about to run out of time. I cannot leave here without respecting and saluting the great men that came before us. Allow me to represent the spirit, the never-dying spirit of Fidel Utaya from Gomba. Come in, Nubian!
ababaddeyo banyumiddwa nnyo abadde basanyufu ensusso kubanga babadde balina omukulembeze waabwe balina omuntu gwe baagala ku mitima gyabwe owawukuno yazze nga muyimbi ng'awulidde agendera abasisinga ga pulezidenti ono yabadde nga muyimbi naye yabawadde essanyu eri omujjalo era ekiro kyefu ekyabasazi banyumiddwa nnyo byansusso kubanga yabakubira okuba ku lukoba abakubira live band si byakuyimbira ku binyongo ng'abalala ennyimba ze zayimbidde emyaka gyonna nazo ndowooza yasiba ku sibagasa nti alina oluyimba lwataakolonyekaawo uganda babadde basanyufu nnyo byansusso byaneri sesens bobiwine akuwe batewalufudde london gyagudde omuliro abateesi babaddeko nga bawulira akasajja olwakutwala emiti kubanga babadde tebakisuubira nti ayinza okukikuba okwenkanidde awo babadde balowooza nti oba oliawo abantu bayinza okukana okujja mu ebyokwogera naye ebyokwogera empozi yakyuse buli mwaka bakimuwawula akasajja kuba akasajja kakikuye nnyo
Constitution yaffe yakunda ukatumaze okubatwale. We are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom. Uganda bali kumawanga. We are fighting for freedom. Agala kumawanga. We are fighting for freedom. Mafuto jabali bulaya. We are fighting for freedom. Agala kumawanga. We are fighting for freedom. Okununula eggwanga kituuka katako abaana ba Uganda byena era bw'otunuulira ebikyamu n'osiriikira eno oliddemu ensi olukwe nafa bakulwanirirako gwe n'osiriikira gy'oli obeera otusagase olwo omusajja tumujja buki naye nga twakuŋŋanye kiddamu tumujja buki naye nga twakuŋŋanye It was 9th of October 1962 when our nation was born. Beautiful nation, naturally endowed with everything we need. With unity in diversity, the Baganda, the Nubians, the Banyangure, the Northerners, Westerners, Easterners, the Acholi, all of them coming together to build a nation that will make life better for the next generation, you and I. We are that generation that we were looking at. We are the grandchildren of the independence generation, the grandchildren of the Mandela generation, the grandchildren of the Obote generation. We are the grandchildren of the Benji Wanuka generation. We are the grandparents of the future generation. So we must, within ourselves, find solutions. We must wake up. We must get serious. We must rise to the occasion. Our leaders don't care about the next generation. All they care about the next generation. So it's our time now. It's our responsibility now. It's our duty now. It's our calling now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow. Now. We must rise to the occasion and build a better world. Some way to be the Mutima pay Uganda. Yama no Akulira Neti pay Uganda. No one Chimukambe pay Uganda. Chimukambe pay Uganda. We are the country, we are the future, we are the change we badly need. We are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change this world.
Wake up,
Let me also say this now that we have your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Keep the vibe going, keep the vibe going. Now that